Yep, today we're going to do automation. I'm El Proto and this is alloneprostudio. We are using FL20 in this video, but any DAW you use, you can use this automation trick. I exported this beat from another project. We want to work with an instrument here. Let me solo it. So it sounds like this. Let me just bring back the stuffs. So when the other instruments are playing, I want to keep this at a lower level. But when the other instruments stop playing, I want it to come up. So it's something like this. So I want the volume of that string instrument to come up when it's alone. So I did a little automation here to bring it up a little. But I add something wonderful to it. I increase the volume little by little. So it's like the thing is getting more exciting as it's going up. The volume is coming up, but it's not too much. So let me just play the end part so that you hear it. And it goes back down again after that last point. So let's see how to do it. First of all, I'll remove the automation. Okay, so this is the instrument here. I'm going to click on it and create automation clip. Okay, so what I'm clicking on is this fader on this mixer insert where I have the instrument. So I'm going to create automation. Look at it here. Now I'm going to copy this value at the first point. So the reason why I'm copying that is because I will paste it where I need it in front, which will be around here. So this is a bridge of this beat. So let's get down to it and do the automation here. Now before we continue, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Somebody on our channel said we should do automation videos, so that's why I'm doing this one. And there are lots more of automation videos to come after this one, so if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. So let's jump in it. Alright, so come here, right click there to create a point, and I'm going to right click here to create another point. If you noticed, when I hit the right click there, this thing jumped a little. I made it worse there. What we're going to do now, that value we copied at the beginning, I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to paste value. So I'm going to take this up a little, just 32%. I'll make it 34 here. Okay, I can see the percentage from here. So when I come here, you see the percentage there. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to right click here too, bring the value up to 40. Okay, I'm going to paste this value, that value I copied from the beginning here too. Okay, just in case there's any jump there. So let me take this forward. So what will happen here is, as it's going higher, the volume of that string instrument, that string sound will progressively go up. So let's hear it. So after the bridge, it comes down. I can increase this more. Let me increase this more to a higher percentage. I'm just going to take it very high. Yeah, just for the sake of this video so that we see what I'm talking about. After you right click on the point you want to move, you have to hold your left click down and move. So that's how to move a point in the automation track. Now look at this fader here as it's coming. Okay, I did it there. but it's just to show you what you can do with this technique. I'm going to leave it here. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. More automation videos coming up. I'm Proto. This is alloneprostudio. That's it. You see me small, don't believe your eyes. Don't give in to